Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Decision Health account. So let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to Decision Health account. You can do this by typing Decision Health login. Now click on Login Decision Health. After that, you will be directed to login page of Decision Health. Enter your username and your password, then click on Login. Make sure you already have an account to Decision Health to successfully log into your account. If you are unable to log in, click here to confirm your username or reset your password or unlock your account. Or you can also contact to customer care by clicking here. Make sure you contact to customer care between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. CT time. And that's it. Follow these steps and successfully log in to Decision Health account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tutorials.